हाय फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज हम बात करेंगे डबल फर्टिलाइजेशन के बारे में। तो स्टार्ट करने से पहले प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब द चैनल एंड प्रेस द बेल आइकॉन। डबल फर्टिलाइजेशन इंट्रोडक्शन। फ्यूजन of two dissimilar gamete, that is male and female gamete, to form a diploid zygote within the female gametophyte of megasporangium is known as fertilization. In angiosperm, the male gamete are carried to the egg by a pollen tube. The process is called as siphonogamy. In most of the angiospermic plant carried out to produce complete seed, hence is known as double fertilization. Mechanism of double fertilization. The mechanism of double fertilization discovered by Now was seen in 1898. The mechanism of double fertilization includes first, germination or growth of pollen tube; second, entry of pollen tube in the embryo sac; third, fusion of gamete. Germination or growth of pollen tube. The pollen grain germinate on the stigma to produce a pollen tube through one of its permanent germ pole. The pollen tube grows through the stigma tissue by secreting different hydrolyzing enzymes that can easily digest the tissue. Entry of pollen tube in the embryo sac. The germinating pollen tube absorbs in calcium borate and make its our way to reach the embryo sac. It is occur in three ways such as forogamy, mesogamy and chalazogamy. Entry of pollen tube is kind of chemotatic movement. Fusion of gamete. The mechanism of double fertilization involved in two processes such as syngamy and triple fusion. First, syngamy. It is the first fertilization by which one of male gamete fused with the egg proper to form a diploid zygote is known as syngamy. Triple fusion. It is the second fertilization which the second male gamete fused with the primary endospermic nuclei, which is later on changed into the endosperm. Post-fertilization. The major events includes in post-fertilization process is first, development of embryo; second, development of endosperm; third, development of seed and fruit. Development of embryo. The development of embryo are produce zygote. This process may be monocotyledon and dicotyledon. Development of embryo in dicotyledon. The zygote enlarges in size. This divide transversely to form two unequal cells is known as proembryo. The oospore divide transversely to form two cells such as suspensor cell and terminal cell. Zygote to produce embryo. Embryo divide transversely to form two unequal cells. One is smaller and another is larger. The suspensor cell divide transversely to form 9 to 16 cells, and the terminal cell divide longitudinally to form tetrad stage and octant stage. Development of embryo in monocotyledon. Oospore divide transversely to form two unequal cells. One is basal cell and another is terminal cell. The suspensor cell divide to form tetrad stage and quadrident stage. Dermatogen divide get single cotyledon. Development of endosperm. The part of seed that store food for the development of plant. The development of endosperm was three types. First, nuclear endosperm; second, cellular endosperm; and third, fallopian endosperm. Nuclear endosperm. In the nuclear type of endosperm development, the primary endosperm nuclei divide by repeated mitotic free nuclear division. without the formation of walls. Cellular endosperm. Cellular endosperm is dicotyledon. Endosperm tissue is completely cellular. The fruit nuclear division primary endosperm by the formation of cell wall either longitudinally and transversely. Alluvial endosperm. Alluvial endosperm is an intermediate between cellular and nuclear endosperm. Development of seed and fruit. The ovule develops in the seed and the ovary develops in the fruit. Ovule to produce seed, flower to produce fruit. Significance. Double fertilization gives rise to an endosperm that provides nourishment to the developing embryo. It is increase the validity of the seed of angiosperm. It is utilize both the male and female gamete to produce by the pollen grain.